mean, you never know how many people, and it's a ripple effect. Even just one person, even just one life that you can help, that becomes a ripple effect, and it just spreads, right? So,
Talking about that, MJ, there was a point in my life, like, when I got married, right? As a woman, ang dami nating responsibilities. We have so much responsibilities. And since my husband is the doctor, correct? So he was on residency, then I have to adjust, change job, or change shift. So I'm the one who's always adjusting. So I came to a point that, I was younger then. Sabi ko, why do I always be the one to adjust? Lagi na lang ako. So and then when he told me, okay, now you have to stay with the kids because I'm going to start my practice.
mhm,
So he told me to resign from my job when everything is going great, that I will be promoted to another big position. So to that point, talagang I was so angry at him. I was so angry at myself, and I said, if I will stop working, then what am I gonna be? Just a housewife? So it's a good thing. I know where to go, or God really sent somebody to tell you. Like I was in the church because very heavy ang feeling ko. So the priest came. So I told the priest what's happening. So only one he asked me, what is your priority? What is important to you? So as a woman, syempre, the most important for me is the family. So I answered that. So I said, um, I realized, the impact of being a mother. Sometimes, we have to support our husband, we have to support our kids. But then I found out, that doing that, you are, even if I am not achieving on my own, if I will be able to produce kids that will be a change agent, kids that will be good leaders in the community, that in itself is a big achievement already. Although sometimes we want to achieve more, correct? And
mhm.
then I said, God, bahala ka na sa akin. And then he changed job again. He said, we're moving to Texas. I said, I don't want to go to Texas. So, but then what can you do? You have to move with him, right? So we moved to Texas, and I didn't work. And I said, what will happen to my profession? And then he said, would you like to join the practice?